Hello my dear students, this video is for chapter 1 grade 4 history and generations of computer in continuation with the video already sent before. So we have discussed last time history of computer. We studied about Neolithic computer or Stone Age, abacus, Napier bones, Pascal's mechanical calculator and Leibniz calculator. Today we will discuss more about it. So let's start. Next we have Charles Babbage. Who was the Charles Babbage? Charles Babbage was the father of computer. He was an English mathematician, philosopher and inventor. He invented two engines, difference engine and analytical engine. You can see the picture. The first is the picture of difference engine and the other one is in picture of analytical engine. Difference engine was invented in 1822 and analytical engine was invented in 1833. The difference between the two was analytical engine can store the results. So that was the difference, but in the difference engine there was no storage of results. Next we have Hollerith machine. Hermann Hollerith in 1884 designed a machine to calculate data more efficiently than traditional hand methods. This machine became very popular. In 1924, the company changed their name from Hollerith's company to International Business Machine (IBM). So you all know what is IBM. So today you got it from where it was named. It was named from Hollerith's company. Next we have Harvard Mark I. Harvard Mark I was the world's first digital computer. It was developed by IBM and Harvard University in 1944. It could multiply 10-digit numbers in 5 seconds. Next we have ENIAC. The full form of ENIAC is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. This was built in 1946. This computer was capable to solve full range of computing problems. Next we have EDVAC. The full form of EDVAC is Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. It was introduced by John von Neumann in 1945. Then we have EDSAC, Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Calculator. It was developed by M.K. Wilkes in 1949. Next we have UNIVAC. UNIVAC was the first non-military application computer. The full form of UNIVAC is Universal Automatic Computer. So you can see the pictures of each computer does not look like the computer that we use today. So because we are talking about 1951, 49, 39. So you see the UNIVAC that is the that was developed in 1951 looks similar to the computer design which we use today. So this is how we have seen that with growth and development the computers have evolved. Earlier they were big machines used only to calculate, only to do calculations. Later on with the growth and development it was reduced in size. Their processing speeds were increased. They were made to do more and more work and thus inventions goes on. So this was the last invention in 1951 with the Universal Automatic Computer. So my dear students, this is very important chapter. We should know from where, how we have evolved, what was inventions before, how our great scientists have worked to bring the technology that we use today. So thank you for watching and keep on revising the chapter.